Hi, I'm Bridget Willard with BridgetWillard.com, and I'm happy to announce that the Launch with Words Residential General Contractor Pack is now available for download and purchase. This is so exciting. So let's walk through how you install Launch with Words. All right, so once you're at the URL for the download, you can check out and add it to your cart here, or keep reading and add it to your cart. I've already added it to my cart, and this is what you get: the Residential General Contractor Pack 1, because there might be a second. And then I'm going to enter my discount code that only works right now. And then it will ask you for your email address, your first name, all that kind of stuff, and ask you to sign up for the newsletter, which you'll want to do if you want to know when the next one comes out. So you purchase that, and then you will also get an email, okay? But once you do the purchase, all of your instructions will be right here on how to install this. You're going to need the Launch with Words Importer plugin first, which is on WordPress.org. And then you click on Launch with Words and first right here, and then it will download a JSON file. All right. Now, once you go to your site and you've already installed Launch with Words on your contractor site, and you'll see it because it'll be in posts, go to Launch with Words, go to the Import Content Pack tab, choose the author, choose the category, construction or roofing. This also has the roofing pack on it. Go ahead and import your file, which you'll want to do from the downloads, and click Import. All right. Thanks for updating. Oops, that's something else. Okay. So it's done. Now I want to check. I'll go to all posts, and look, there they are. So what are some of the ones we want to show you today? We're going to show you when is a good time to do a kitchen remodel. So let's see. We can edit this because they're all drafts. The article is completely written. You need to add a featured image and maybe customize it if you want to, but it has outbound links and all kinds of stuff. No affiliate links or anything like that. Don't worry about it. And a call to action. So what I'm going to do is I can even backdate this, right? So I can backdate this to, let's say I want to be in August, because I want the blog to look like it has stuff on it, right? August 21, and then press publish. Then I can view my post. When is a good time for a kitchen remodel? Right? By me, August 21. Go back to the blog, and there's what are the advantages of a metal roof? When is a good time for a kitchen remodel? So that's a roofing article, and this is a construction subject, and that's roofing, right? So then I'm like, okay, well, I want to schedule one. You can schedule one. So let's see, what's the next one I want to show? How about bathroom remodels? So let's go to posts, all posts, look for a bathroom. You can do them in any order that you like. So I'm going to edit this one. And ideally, if you have for your client pictures of this kind of work, I would add those in. But I'm going to publish this one immediately, so it's the newest one. And I can view that post. There's construction. There it is, right there. Bathroom. Add this is colloquial language like bathroom renos. Go back to the blog. Look, there it is. Construction, roofing, construction. And then I can go back into the dashboard and go to the posts and edit or publish them as exactly as I want. So let's see, how many are drafts? There are 30 drafts because I have some of the roofing ones too. But 10 questions to ask your general contractor. That's another great one. I'm going to put that in, let's see, September. How about June? Publish that. Look at that one. There it is. 10 questions to ask your general contractor. And it's really just that simple. You've done it. For less than $500, you have 12 fully written blog posts on your client's site. You can add to it. You can subtract to it if you want to. Do those internal links, meta descriptions with your SEO plugin, and boom. Or you could just import them all and publish them all. It's up to you. Thank you.